These videos are fast forwarded. You're not allowed to go faster than 20 miles per hour on the road here. We have a couple finishing touches and we're ready for a test ride. Let's go ahead and cut this. Cut pretty clean, not bad. So we're cutting this one a little different. Alright, that's pretty clean. Let's clean up the edge just a little bit. There we go. Made that edge a little softer to the touch. Let's do it to this too. Cool. We're using spacers so we have enough room for our battery. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this on. It's elevated slightly with washers. There's not enough space. Uh-oh. All right, well, this is the final results of our E300 Razor build. Full suspension. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around this Razor scooter. And I'm pretty much done with this thing. I was gonna add a steering damper, but I don't think it needs it. It rides really nice. But we have front suspension, headlight. This is the charging port right here. We're not using this charging port. This is the factory one, and we don't need that safety switch. We have a fuse inside that protects it. But here's the on switch. Every time you hit on, headlights turn on, tail lights turn on as well. We're using the original factory Razor E300 deck. I modified it so it fit correctly with the big battery inside and our controller. We added a cup holder. Here's our headlights. You can turn on and off the headlight right here. Turn signals, horn. We have, this is the rear brake. This is the front brake. Here's the throttle. We're using a thumb throttle on this one. The screen doesn't work. It's not compatible with the sine wave controller we're using. I was debating on getting another screen or not, but I think I'm just gonna put a phone holder right here and I'll mount my cell phone. That's new. I had to use a bicycle kickstand that was long enough. After we raised it, the original kickstand wasn't long enough. Here's the rear suspension. We're using an 800 watt rear motor with a 1500 watt sine wave controller. They're both 48 volts. I set our controller to low gear, so maximum speed is 20 miles per hour. We have rear and front disc brakes. Here's brake lines are zip tied to the side. We hid everything the best we could, but there you have it. This thing is a blast to ride, but check it out. We're gonna go out for a test ride. Finally done, let's ride. I wanted to make sure I wasn't going too fast. I wanted to stay within the legal limits. Let's go find a better spot with less curves. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. Hopefully I didn't go too fast. I don't want to get into any trouble with this video posted. But if we're on private property, I am sure I can change the controller to make it faster. This concludes our 5-part series on this E300 Razor build. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. It really helps this channel grow. Thanks for watching.